Hey guys, we're OSandVTXreviews.com. You're watching our video first look at the Omnikey. This is a smart card reader that sells on Amazon.com as an exclusive product for $20. So it's a very inexpensive smart card reader. In fact, it's actually the cheapest smart card reader you can currently purchase online. So it's very inexpensive. It also comes with a nice warranty with it, and it also comes from a reputable brand name. So we're pretty impressed with that. What smart card readers are designed to do, it's basically, again, to read the smart cards, which instead of having that magnetic strip on the bottom, you have a more, again, a microprocessor embedded on it. It's either silver or gold. And this is a more strange smart card, but again, this is something that actually came out around 10 years ago. But they're most commonly seen on perhaps credit cards for some banks. They have that little, smart card reader on the side. They're very similar to something you might find on a SIM card, and you can put it into the reader and it will read it. And on credit cards, perhaps on wireless communication devices, again, like SIM cards, on electronic cash, you can get it on banking stuff, government identification. So if you work for the military, you'll certainly have those smart cards on there. There's a few reasons why you would have a smart card. One of them is security, and then you can use one of these scanners and plug it into a computer in order to log on. Instead of using a fingerprint reader, you would use a smart card reader, slide it in, and you'd be able to access a laptop or a specific website. And it's a pretty cool protection system because it also identifies you as a person instead of just logging you in because you have the correct password or something like that. They're also pretty inexpensive as far as the readers are concerned, like I have here. And in addition to having that added security, again, smart card microprocessors do have a small processor underneath, and they have a small bit of memory stored on board, so it's like a tiny little computer. So again, it's a pretty cool design. Anyways, Omnikey works again with a lot of smart cards that we've tested, from government ID cards to all sorts of banking cards we've tested in different countries and we've collected over the years. And overall, as far as the design is concerned, we have a semi-transparent plastic on the top. You can see that the internal circuit board underneath, which is a pretty cool design. It takes up very little space on a desk. As far as the card reader is concerned, we did find that it's a little bit loose for some of the cards we used, but overall, it's not going to accidentally fall out. When the card is inserted, you'll see the edges of the card protrude on the sides like so. We also like that the wire is made of this nice strong material that's kind of semi-metallic, and it's sweat resistant, water resistant, and it's very long. Same thing with the USB. It's semi-transparent and plugs into any USB 2.0 port on any laptop or Mac computer for portability. It's basically just a plug-and-play experience, which is very, very nice. One complaint we did have was that the specific card reader is very, very lightweight. So if you accidentally move something around, it's going to hit, and it's actually going to kind of bounce around a bit on your desk, so it's going to kind of be loose. We wish there was something to secure the product onto a desk, so you're probably going to have to go out and buy a sticker to stick it onto a desk surface, so it's not going to accidentally skid around when you unplug it from your laptop or plug it in. So overall, it's pretty sensitive. Everything that we put at it read very nicely, and it worked pretty well. Of course, smart cards are getting more and more popular, and hopefully we'll see it more again in the smartphone industry soon. But again, for right now, that's just a very interesting first look at the Omnikey. This is the $20 version that you can purchase on Amazon.com. Thanks for watching here at OSandVTXreviews.com.